I make a difference in all your lives, educating kids and preparing them to become a CEOs and doctors, engineers, architects, and whatever the profession they wish to choose. So, what we need now in our society today is to have the greatest minds teach these youngsters, with the right values and make a real difference.
Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. It's no secret, friends, you have a purpose and you have the highest potential. Dream it, believe it, achieve it. So dream big, truly believe in it, and achieve it 100% to live the life fullest. And I want to join hands with you on this mission to learn and grow together, to engage, enlighten, and empower. Yes, this is solo episode of your host Jyoti G on Stars of Learning podcast. Let's begin.
Hey friends, I'm so happy that you are joining me today. And this day is very special, celebrating World Teachers Day. And interestingly, the theme of World Teachers Day 2021 is Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. The UNESCO presented this theme for Teachers Day in respect of their determined and diligent efforts in the crucial stages of COVID-19 pandemic. So friends, just imagine how will this wonderful world would have been without teachers. I'm sure you all know that September 5th is also celebrated as Teachers Day in India. You also know that these teachers have been so influential and deeper in the roots of our history, starting from Guru Dronacharya, Chanakya, Savitribai Phule, Kalamji, also the recent Indian school teacher Ranjit Singh Disale, who is a Maharashtrian who won World's Best Teacher Award by making a difference to the education and to the country. And it's incredibly a proud moment for all of us, friends. So, friends, on this episode, I wanted to discuss about one of the forward I got on my WhatsApp, and I was so deeply impressed with the content and felt that this has to be shared to all the people, and just not keep that with me. Okay, and that's how this episode is, and I felt it's appropriate for this occasion too, as it's important that each one of us are aware about the role of the teachers and the situations and the kind of professionalism they build being a teacher. So pay attention, guys, as it is necessary, just not for us, even for the future generation too, on how we think about the teachers and their role. So for now, friends, just picturize what I'm saying so that you hear it like a story. Yeah. So there were 7 to 8 key people in the society who had planned for their dinner get together. So all these guests, they were sitting on a round table discussing about the life and the challenges and the priorities and all of that. So one among the guests was a CEO, and he decided to explain the problem with education. He argued, just listen to this, he argued, what's a kid going to learn from someone who decided his best option in life was to become only a teacher? To stress his point, he said to another guest, saying, you are a teacher, so be honest, what do you make with this? So that teacher in amongst the group had a great reputation for her honesty and frankness. And she replied, you want to know what I make? And she paused for a second and then began, friends. So listen to this. This is really interesting on what she brings on. She said, well, she makes kids work harder than they ever thought they could. And she also said, I make a C++ feel like the Congressional Medal of Honor winner. And she mentioned that I make kids sit through 40 minutes of a class time when they parents or a caretaker can't make them sit for 5 minutes without an iPod or a GameCube or a laptop or a TV. Again, she repeated the question asked by the CEO. You want to know what I make? She paused again and she looked at each and every person at the table, and she continued her conversation saying that I make kids wonder, I make them question, I make them apologize and mean it. I make them have respect and take responsibility for their actions. I teach them how to write and then I make them write. Keyboard and remote is not everything. And she also said, I make them read, read, read. And she said, I make them show all their work in math to get to the solution. They use their God given brain and not the man made calculator. I make my students from other countries too to learn everything they need to know about the subject while preserving their unique cultural identity. And she also mentioned, I make my classroom a place where all my students feel safe. Isn't that true? Finally, she said, I make them understand that if they use the gift, the inner power given to them, work hard and follow their heart, they can succeed in life, in whatever they go through. Isn't it such a noble work, friends? Whatever the nuggets the teacher shared. Again, the teacher paused one last time and then continued saying, when people try to judge me by what I make, with me knowing that money is not everything, I can hold my head up high and pay attention because they are ignorant. You want to know what I make? I make a difference. I make a difference in all your lives, educating kids and preparing them to become a CEOs and doctors, engineers, architects, and whatever the profession they wish to choose. And in turn, she asked the question to the other guest, what do you make, Mr. CEO? And the CEO jaw dropped and he went silent. So friends, how did you feel listening to this conversation of these elite people? I'm sure some of you may have started to think differently about this noble profession. Some may be wondering about so many things the teacher accomplished by teaching the child, right? And some may be feeling proud about your teachers. As a L&D specialist, I've always been around excellent teachers and mentors, and I've gained a lot by being around, listening to them, asking their suggestions, implementing it and all that. So I've also been talking to many government teachers, including Anganwadi teachers, private school teachers, and also some key people who are part of Skill India Development Program. One thing is common across them, that there is a scarcity for teachers. And it is also important that we build capacities of teachers to bring education in every district and across the country. It's very sad that we have a shortage of experts in the system who make this kind of a difference. Do you agree, friends? So friends, teaching profession is to make an impact for future generation for better tomorrow, and we need to respect this profession, and we also need to tell and teach our children on the importance of the teachers and the teaching. And I think that shall be the biggest tribute we can pay to our teachers. Again, my humble suggestion to all of you would be that if you want to scale up and you want to be a game changer, then please be connected to the roots, be in touch with your teachers, as they are the great source of inspiration. They have a great source of network, and their knowledge is so deeper that you get the kind of a solution you're looking for. Agree, friends? So what we need now in our society today is to have the greatest minds teach these youngsters, with the right values and make a real difference. And that's possible only by the teachers, right? So, to conclude, friends, I wish to remember Malala on this special occasion where she says, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. So, let's celebrate this Teacher's Day every day and be in their guidance and blessings forever. So, friends, I look forward to your views and comments on this conversation and what you felt after hearing to this whole episode. Wish you again a happy World Teachers' Day.
So, friends, I hope you enjoyed this conversation, and I'm always grateful for everyone who tunes in, listens, subscribes, and have left reviews of my podcast on iTunes. By the way, if you have not done that yet, that would mean a world to me. Head over iTunes, and I would be happy if you take a moment to rate and comment if you got any value or learning listening to this podcast. Do share this amazing information to help many others to engage, enlighten, and empower. Thank you once again for joining in, and I'm your host, Jyoti G, signing off from Stars of Learning podcast. Thank you.